What's that? I smell smoke. Where's the smoke coming from? Fireworks and barbecue grills. Oh yeah. Where are the fireworks? Huh? I want fireworks. Come on. Fireworks. 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 I saw a flash and another flash. But where's the fireworks themselves? Oh yeah, there they are. There they are. I saw some. Ooh, there's another one, and another one. Come on, give me more, give me more, give me more. I want more. I want more. More, please, more. I want more. I want more. I want more. I want more. Well, it's been a little while. I think they might be done or something. But I mean, you guys saw something nice, fireworks, right? And whoever's doing that, that's a great job. That's amazing. Now, I hope you are also enjoying the fireworks that you're seeing right now in the United States of America. Goodbye.